So go ahead and come up with your columns. And try to find some other ones besides the examples we had on the board, okay? We can look at things like the different characters that were in each story. We can look at things like, did both the animals talk in the story? What were some of the colors of the animals? What were some things that were said that were similar or different? Okay, so once you're all done, go ahead and turn your Venn diagram in. Thank you. Okay, so what do you think the moral of the wolf story was? Or what do you think the lesson of the story is? What is the author trying to teach you?
That there's always two sides.
Yeah, right? So one person's point of view may not necessarily be your point of view, right? Why is it important that we look at different points of views?
To be fair.
Yeah, to be fair, right? Any other reasons? Okay. So when the pigs didn't let him in, what happened to the wolf?
Passed out.
He passed out, right? Yeah, sorry, in the wolf story. And so if they would have known his point of view, like the wolf was a vegetarian, that he was just trying to find some help, do you think that he would have passed out? All right. So sometimes it's good to know other people's sides of the stories. Okay.